Alright, in this video I'm going to show you step by step on how to make money on ClickBank using Pinterest. The best part of this is that you are not required to spend any money and it requires less time to do. So this is something that you can do wherever you are in the world. So when you come here, as you can see, this is the home page of my accounts on Pinterest, and you can see different kind of content here on Pinterest. So Pinterest is a visual search engine that allows you to post any kind of content on any niche on this platform. As you can see, different people have posted different things here, and they are attracting people to their websites, they are attracting people to their affiliate links, they are attracting people to their businesses, they are getting leads, they are inspiring people, and they are doing a lot of things on this particular search engine. The good news is that Pinterest attracts more than 1 billion visits per month. As you can see, I'm using SimilarWeb to analyze this. So as you can see, Pinterest here, it attracts more than 1 billion visits per month, and this is for July alone. So as you can see, over 44% of this traffic is coming from the United States, and this is good news for affiliate marketers. So I'm going to take you through the simplest way to attract people on Pinterest onto your ClickBank affiliate links. If you are new, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my new videos. Now let's get into the details. So the first step is to create an account on Pinterest if you don't have, and you are going to also create another account on ClickBank. So as you can see, ClickBank, you can sign up here. Then when you click on the sign up button, there is a simple form for you to fill in your details, and then you begin to promote products. Once you have your accounts on ClickBank, you are going to come to the marketplace. Once you come to the marketplace, you are going to see a page like this, and you can see the different categories that you can promote products on. As you can see, there are several categories that you can promote products here. For the purpose of this video, I'm going to go with the health and fitness category for you to watch. You can use the same steps to promote any product on any category. So what you are going to do is to click on the health and fitness category. Once you click on the health and fitness category, you are going to sort by gravity so that you can get products that are making high sales right now, so that you can promote those products. You click on this area, then you select gravity. Once you sort by gravity, you can see the products that are on top. These are products that are mostly getting sales. So as you can see, so you are going to now select the product that you want to promote. So as you can see, there are several of them. You can see this product, if you promote it, you are going to, when you get a sale, you are going to earn $141 per every sale that you get. When you come to another one, you can see you are going to earn 106 per every sale that you get. And then you can see the first one has a gravity of 500, the second one has a gravity of 332. You can go over and over. This one too, when you promote it and you get a sale, you are going to earn 174. So I'm going to go with this particular product in this video. So you can go with any product, but the gravity must be high. Don't go for low gravity products because you might not get a sale. This product, it has a gravity of 125, so it's good to promote. So what you are going to do is that you are now going to view the product landing page so that you can decide on how to promote it. So I will go to, you click on this particular link. So you click on the product link, this red link. Once you click on the product link, you can see the landing page. So this particular product, the landing page is a video that potential customers are going to watch, then decide on whether they should buy the product or not. So this particular video has all the information to convince someone or a potential customer to buy the product. So your job is to get people to click on this particular link and get access to this video, so that the owner of this particular product can convince them to buy for you to earn the commission. So yours is to get traffic onto this particular product. The product landing page looks nice and is very good. So what you are going to do is that you are now going to begin promoting this product. When you come to ClickBank, you are going to click on this button, promote. Once you click on promote, you are going to see a page like this. In this page, you can put a tracking ID. A tracking ID will help you to get to know the traffic source that you get a sale, but that is not necessary for me. You can see my nickname here. So once you have your nickname, the tracking ID, which is optional, if you want, you can put it there. We are now going to click on generate hop link. Once you click on generate hop link, this is your unique affiliate link, and when people buy this product through this link, you are going to earn a commission. But when you promote this particular link just like this, when you send it to Pinterest, your link is going to be banned and you can post. So what you are going to do is that the next step is to build a landing page for this particular link. Then you can begin to promote it freely without any restrictions. So what you are going to do is to come to Google, then search Aweber. Aweber is a free landing page builder that you can use to build landing pages. They have free versions and premium version, but you can use the free version without any credit card required. So you are not going to enter your credit card details. You can use it free just with your email and password. So once you search, you are going to click on this particular, the first link. Once you open an account with Aweber, then you log in. This is what you are going to see on your dashboard. So you are going to come to the navigation side of it, then click on landing pages. Once you click on landing pages, you are going to click on create a landing page. Once you click on create a landing page, there are a lot of templates here that you can choose to edit. So as I scroll down, you can see a whole lot of them that you can choose to edit. Then you begin to promote the products, or as you can see. So I'm going to go with this particular landing page. You can see a lot of them. So what you are going to do, you can preview it before you choose it. You can go straight, but I have already used it before, so I like this particular template, so I'm going to go with it. You can go with any template that you want. So what you are going to do is you are going to click on choose. So once you click on choose, you are going to now begin editing the template. So here, as you can see, this is the logo. You can delete it. So you are going to scroll down. When you scroll down, the text here, you can change it. So we are going to edit this text, then put our own text here. So what you are going to do is delete this text. So if you are getting value out of this video, kindly hit the like button. If you have not yet subscribed, kindly do so. Once you have this particular, once you delete the text, you are now going to put your custom text here, which is your own text. So we are going to come back to the product landing page so that we can get good text to paste on your landing page. You can also use your own wisdom, or you can copy from the landing page of the product. So what you're going to do is that I'm going to copy the whole of this particular text. So once you highlight and then copy, you are going to send it to your landing page. Once you send it to your landing page, you are going to paste your text here. Okay, that has appeared twice. Let me delete it. So once you paste your text here, you are going to now arrange it properly. So let me arrange it properly. So what you are going to do is to arrange it properly. So as you can see, so you can highlight the whole of this text, then make the alignment well. So let's go with this alignment, and this is good. So as you can see, the alignment is good. So let me close this space. So because it's just copied from the web, so you can leave it like this. Then you come down. So once you come down, you are going to delete this video and put your own video or image here. So you are going to click on it. Once you click on it, you are going to click on this particular delete icon, then delete it. Here, this text, you are going to delete it to everything. Here you are going to delete it. So here you are going to delete everything. So you click on this icon again, then delete everything. Once you delete these are social media icons. You can also delete them and put your own there, or you can, I'm going to delete it. So once that is deleted, you are going to come to the elements, then you are going to drag and paste image here. So you are going to drag the image icon. Once you drag it, you are going to put it here. Once that is done, you are now going to upload an image here. So where are you going to get the image? So you are going to find an image that will convince the customers or the visitors to click onto our affiliate link. So what you are going to do is that you are going to go back to the product landing page. Once you go back to the product landing page, you can see this is a video that people are going to watch. So you are going to snap this video as an image, then send it to the landing page. So what you are going to do, you are going to snap it. So you are going to snap the whole of this. Snap your screen just as I'm doing. Once you have this area captured, you are now going to save the image. So you are going to click on save. So as you see, click on save. I already have the image, so I'm not going to do that again. So the next thing is to now come back to your landing page. Once you come back to your landing page, you are going to click on this upload image. So you are not going to upload the image. So it is uploading right now. So of course this is the image, but you want to direct this image to our affiliate link. So what you are going to do is that you are going to now scroll down. When you scroll down, this is link to URL. That is where you are now going to paste your affiliate link, so that when people click on this particular image, it will be directed to the video of the product, so that they can watch the video there, then make the purchase. So what you are going to do is you are now going to come to your ClickBank marketplace. Then you are going to click on promote. Once you click on promote, click on generate hub link, then you copy the URL of your affiliate link. So once you copy, you are going back to the landing page, paste the, so now our affiliate link has now been pasted here and it's linked to the image. So the next thing to do is to now bring a call to action down here for people. There are some people who might not know that when they click the image, they are going to be directed to the video. So we are going to put a call to action here, so it's just something that will help them to click through. So come to the elements, then drag text. Once you drag text, you are going to paste the text here. Once you paste the text here, you are now going to write your text. So here is where you are going to write your text. So you are going to type something like click here to watch free video, any call to action that will get the people to click. So what you are going to do is that you are going to highlight this. Let me put it well for. So what you are going to do is to then put this one the first one as capital, then let me put my full stop here. So what you are going to do is to highlight your text, then come here. So you are going to increase the font of your text. So let's make it bigger. So you're going to go for 32. Once you come to 32, let's align it properly. So you are going to come with this justify alignment. So put it here. Once you've done that, let's put it in the middle. So what you are going to do is to drag this particular, send it to the middle portion of it. Once you send to the middle portion, we are going to also link this particular text to our affiliate product. So we are going to insert our affiliate link onto this particular text. So what you're going to do is go back to ClickBank again, then you copy your link. Once you copy your link, come here. So what you are going to highlight this text, then come to this particular button. You can see link. You are going to click on that, then paste your affiliate link here. Once that is done, you are now going to preview your landing page. So what you are going to do is click on preview. Once you click on preview, you can see this is how the landing page is going to look like. You can shift it to get closer, or you can leave it like this. For the logo, you can't delete it because it's a free version, so it must be there and it will not do anything. So what you can see, this is the text and this is your image that will direct the people to click to watch the video. So what you are going to do is to click on save and exit. Once you click on save and exit, you are going to publish your landing page. So you click on publish and this landing page has been published. This is the link to your landing page, so you are going to copy it. So once you copy your link, you are going to test the link whether it's working. So you are going to paste it here. Okay, and there you have it, a clean. As you can see, this is our landing page and it looks nice. So let me try to see if it will direct to the affiliate link. So you click on the image and now you can see the video is. Once you have your landing page ready, you are now going to promote this particular landing page on Pinterest so that you can now earn the money. So what you are going to do is to come back to Pinterest. Once you come to Pinterest, you are going to click on create. Once you click on create, you are going to click on create pin. So once you click on create pin, if you are new to Pinterest, you are going to create a board for your content. Organize your content into several boards so that you are going to content that are related will be on one board, add and then do another one to a different board as well. So once you come here, when you click on create pin, you can scroll to the bottom, then create a board. Once you create a board, I already have several boards here which I've been posting on. So once you have your board created, you are now going to now post a pin onto the board so that people can search on Pinterest, then find you. So here what you are going to do is that you are going to find a viral video on TikTok, then upload it here and repost it onto Pinterest for people to view the video and then click to your affiliate link. So what you are going to do, when you come to TikTok, then you search hashtag lose weight. There are several profiles here that you can select. So let me check this particular profile. So once you click on the profile, you can see a number of videos on this particular profile and you are going to search for the video that is doing well so that you can repost it on Pinterest. So as you can see, so there are several videos that are doing well here. As you can see, this one has 122k, there are others. You can see another one, 11, and then the rest. So you are going to select this one because it is going viral on TikTok. People like it, so you are going to repost it on Pinterest for people to view the video and then click to your affiliate link. So what you are going to do is to click on the video. Once you click on the video, you are now going to download this video onto your PC. So what you are going to do is to come to Google. Once you come to Google, you are going to search for TikTok video downloader. There are several free ones that you can use. You can download any TikTok video without any watermark on it. So what you're going to do is select one. So I'm going to go with this particular, the first one. So you click on any downloader that you choose. So I'm going to go with this. So once you select it, you are going to come to TikTok, then you copy the URL of the video. So once you copy the URL of the video, you are going to now come here and then paste the link here, then you download. I've already done that ahead of time so that this video can be short. So once you've downloaded the video, you're now going to come to your Pinterest accounts, then upload the video here. So let me upload it for you to see. I downloaded a different one, so let me upload it for you to see. So as you can see, this is a video that I uploaded, and as you can see, you are going to upload it like this, and then you are going to give a title to your video. So what you are going to do is to come back to the landing page of your affiliate product. You can use your own headline, but I prefer coming here to get a useful headline. So you are going to copy the text that is good for you. So I'm going to go with this particular text as my headline. So you go back to Pinterest. Once you come to Pinterest, you are going to paste that heading here. So once you paste the heading here, you are going to write a description about it. So you can paste the title here, then write a description. So I will do that and then come back to you. So as you can see, you are going to put your description here, and you are going to put hashtags to your keywords and your keywords, so that when people search on Pinterest, they can find your pin and then watch the video. So once you've done that, you are going to come here, then add your tags here. So you are going to search something like weight. You can see weight loss tips, weight loss drinks, and many others. So you are going to select any tag. So you select a tag, add another one. So weight loss motivation, weight loss drink, weight loss, and then let's add this one. You can add the tags related to your video, so that when people search on Pinterest, they can find you. So once you add your tags, you are now going to add a link here to your landing page, so that when people watch the video, they can click through to your landing page. So what you're going to do is to now copy the URL of your landing page. So you click on copy, then once you click on copy, you are going to now paste the URL of your landing page. Once you've done that, you are now going to select the board that you want to post your video into. So I am going to go with the fitness, so I won't change. So I'm going to go with the fitness. As you can see, fitness. So once you are on that, you are now going to click on publish, and then it is going to be live on Pinterest for people to watch and then take action for you to earn the money on ClickBank. So this is what I have for you. Kindly subscribe to this channel and press the notification bell for updates of my new videos. Your subscription is very necessary to me, because I'm on a journey to reach 1,000 subscribers, and I know you help this channel to achieve that goal. Thank you for watching. We shall meet in another video.